You're stupid. You're an idiot. Hey, look, a car. Not kidding. There's no car. Where are you going? Why are you running away? I don't see any squirrels. She's a liar. Do you guys see any squirrels? Hey, Mr. Truck got in the way. I don't see any squirrels, but I see a lot of cars. Yeah, you dropped something. Hey, look, a bunch of stones. Each. There's a penny, and we're so close to your face, you won't really close to your We're gonna get close. Don't move, don't move. Open your mouth, open your mouth. Yeah, we're definitely not perfect. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Molly's going nutty. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it?